i35equipment.com. This is a sod roller, really well built, heavy duty. If you're familiar, you know what you're looking at already, but this is where your forks are going to slide in. Just slide it so it fits onto anything with forks, whether that be a skid steer or a telehandler. You just hook your chain from here to your fork carriage to keep it held back. Same with that hook down there. And then up here, you can put your roll of sod on the bar. Of course, that can just unpin and get you taken off. Really nice, well-built, heavy duty. If you have any questions, give us a shout. We welcome you to come look it over for yourself. We're open by appointment only. Thus, just give us a call to get on the calendar. Phone number is 405-833-6437. And if you'd like a calling quote, just fill out the form on the website. Call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share that address to several local haulers that issue my broker. Get back to the best rate that comes back to us. Do appreciate you taking time to watch, and hope you have a wonderful day.